Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Apple ID in Settings so the device can access your iCloud library. Next, turn on iCloud Photos in Settings Photos. This syncs videos with the cloud and keeps originals. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and charging if you have many or large files, because uploads and downloads can be paused on cellular and drained battery slows transfers. Once done, open the Photos app so the next steps can locate iCloud video content quickly. You now go into Photos and use the Videos album to isolate clips. That filters out photos and simplifies scanning. If you have many items, you search with a date, place, or term like screenshot or video to narrow results. When you find a clip, swipe up or tap the info icon to view its iCloud status. It may be a thumbnail indicating Optimize iPhone storage. If so, tap to download the original. This ensures full resolution playback and export options. You finish by downloading any needed originals. Tap the cloud icon or open the video and choose Share Save Video to ensure you have a local copy for editing. To move a file off the phone, use AirDrop or export via messages or mail. These preserve quality when you first download the original. If a video doesn't appear, make sure iCloud storage isn't full, that you're signed into the right Apple ID, and that Wi-Fi syncing is active. Those fixes usually resolve missing items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.